I wanted something nice to put my RC car in, so I modeled and printed a mini dyno. I kept it pretty simple since it's only the first version. I wanted to see how good it can run, and here's how it went. On the first run, the RC died and said womp womp to me. So I had to go charge it. For a good second I thought the RC car broke, but it turns out it was just the battery. P.S. I really like this VHS effect. Alright, here is the dyno run for the 3 speed levels offered in this RC car. Hope you enjoy. I just wanted to add this clip only because I liked the effects I applied here. LOL, I hope you enjoy my silly creations. Okay, bye.